Today we're going to wax my eyebrows with these eyebrow wax strips from BEAUTY7. BEAUTY7 sent me these wax strips over, and basically there's two different sizes, one for the top and one for the bottom, and they're kind of like pre-cut to fit those areas. So let's see how this goes. So these are what my eyebrows are looking like right now. They definitely could be waxed, especially this side. This one grows in faster for whatever reason. I just put some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad, and I'm just going to clean my eyebrows off, make sure that there's nothing there. Then I'm just going to brush my eyebrows with a spoolie just to kind of like see where I want to wax. So there's two strips. These are the ones that go underneath, and these are the ones that go on top. These also comes with like little wax removal pads. So this is what the wax strip looks like. It is double-sided. So I'm just going to pop this onto my eye the best I can. All right, I'm a little nervous for my left side because if you could see, it's going to take a lot off. Should I probably have done this with contacts on? Yes. Now I'm just going to apply the little top part. So make sure you're holding your skin back, and you see this little white tab. You're going to pull it, and 1, 2. It doesn't look bad. It's going to be red, obviously. And 1, 2, 3. Now for the top. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I'm going to take the wax removal wipe and just wipe the area where we wax. Overall, I think these are really good. They're really easy to use. I think they're very beginner friendly. So if you're just getting into waxing or anything, I would definitely check these out from BEAUTY7.